Every time I see a job posting with a big highlight, project manager, I really got scared. And maybe you may think, why Ricardo is scared? This is a great opportunity. Because many organizations, they use this name and they have no clue of what is a project manager role. So many times you see, oh, I need a project manager that is able to operate as a doctor, that is able to know neurosurgery, that is able to... And then I say, hold on. Is this a project manager role? Or is this a medicine professional role? For example, I want a project manager that knows everything from civil engineering, about civil engineering. I know someone that is able to make calculations on roads, design mega structures. And then I have a question, is this what is really the core of a project manager role? And the best way to answer this is to split this into two different things. First one, project management skill or skills. Project management skills are the set of skills that helps any person, absolutely anyone, to connect ideas to reality, is to operate as a project manager. For example, if I'm cooking, when I take a piece of paper and make my grocery list, then I execute going to the supermarket to buy the goods. Then I put them on the cooktop and then I start cooking and finish. I am in some ways practicing the project management skills. For example, if I forget the tomatoes, I may create a product that is suboptimal. If I'm running out of fuel or gas, for example, if your cooktop works with gas, maybe you will not be able to do your food. And why I'm saying all of this? Because this is a set of skills that every single human being can use to connect their ideas to reality. However, working and having a career as a project manager is not only the skills. It's a profession that you, for example, decided to pursue and be a project manager in the IT sector. Be a project manager working on software development, or being a project manager in civil engineering or construction, or being a project manager in the chemical industry, or being even a consultant in project management. So what is the difference? The difference is that on this group, project management works and operates like mathematics. Project management is the ability. It's like when you know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 in math. This is the project management as these life skills that you can use as an architect, as a lawyer, or as a doctor. The other one are those who really transform these skills, the planning skills, the ability to communicate, the ability to manage risks, the ability to integrate thousands of different things in order to make sure that all pieces are in place to deliver the value to your customer. And work on this as a profession. This is what is a project management career. So when you see a project management or a project manager ad, be mindful. What do they need? They need someone with the knowledge of project management that would apply this, but working as a doctor or as a biotechnology profession. Or it's someone that will have project management as his or her profession. In my case, for example, I am a chemical engineer, with master in industrial engineer and a PhD in civil engineering. So you look to me, you may say, oh, Ricardo is an engineer. No, I decided in the past to take a very clear path into the project management work as a profession. So I had the chance to use the skills of planning, the skills of communication, the skills of identifying risks, or doing simulations, or managing complex works, or negotiating with stakeholders, suppliers, etc. Understand how pieces work together. And I was able to apply this in engineering works, yes, but also in technology work, in ERP implementation, in power plants, in M&A, in digital transformation. Because the foundation is the set of abilities that will make these ideas into reality. So it's very important every time. Are you looking to have project management as a skill, working in whatever you decide to work? This is one thing. But to have project management as the core and the center of your profession is like different. And you need to present yourself. You need to prepare your CV and everything in a different way from this first group. And it's not better, it's not worse. For example, I was never able, and I didn't have any interest on being a soccer player. But it doesn't mean that being a soccer player is not a wonderful thing. It can be a magic thing. But for me, I decided to work as my profession, the project management. Be always mindful of that.